Tonight we are cooking some squishy fish with white and blue. Then we're cooking the spiky fish with golden ones.
The golden ones.
And then we're cooking the anchor fish and with red and black. And then we're cooking a crabfish with orange and pink. And then we're cooking a spiky fish
A spiky?
a spiky fish to fry. And then we're cooking an egg today.
Egg.
And then we're cooking a chopping fish. And then we're cooking a spiky fish. And then we'll have some oil and vinegar.
Oil.
And vinegar.
And then?
If we're mixing with this one, Mama,
What?
we need to put this one is vinegar.
And then?
And this one is oil.
Oil.
Yeah. I'm not gonna say like that.
Why?
Because I'm a boy. Oh. Oil.
What?
Pangit noise na yan eh.
Huh?
Pangit noise mag-say like that.
Saan?
When you say like that, it's a pangit noise.
Anong pangit noise?
Nang maluto. Oil. Pangit ang noise na yan. Can you see it, guys? This one is a big pan with lots of...
What? What is this again?
It's a big pan. Pan.
Oh, can you spell the word pan?
No, I spilled it already. That food in a pan.
Oh, can you spell it again?
No, I'm not gonna spill it again. I'm tired talking.
You're tired talking? Amazing. Wow, tired siya.
Kasi ang mouth ko tired na eh.
Tired na yung mouth mo. Why are you talking?
Kasi I talk already. Nagtok na ko.
Oh, you keep quiet na. Kasi tired na pala yung mouth mo mag-talk eh.
Look at what I'm doing. Chase! Chase! The secret to learn about. And you was a chase.
Oh.
Hi everyone, it's me Chase. And then we're cooking today some food. Want to see it, guys? Cheer this.
We cannot see you na kasi you have to sit down. You have to sit down. No, where are you? You have to sit here.
Hindi mabasa.
Oh, you sit in my mama's little...
Mama, look at there. It's a footprint.
No, it's not a footprint kasi hand mo yan.
It's a hand footprint.
No, it's a handprint.
Handprint.
Yeah. Footprint. Oh, are you done na? Are you done playing? Let's
No,
get inside.
I'm not finished yet. I'm not finished yet. When it's all when nobody's there, I'm finished playing.
Aba. Papa, narinig mo yun? When nobody is there, I finish playing. Hindi pa siya papasok kasi nandyan ka pa sa labas.
Mayan na. Mayan toke.
Kasi bawal pa magpunta sa inside.
And then?
If magpunta ka sa inside, Papa cannot see Chase.
Pa, hindi daw siya papasok kay hindi mo daw siya makikita. Balik. Dati talaga yung... Dati kayo gano'n eh, pasamangin.
What? Nice. Nice job, Mama. You have a great idea.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mama. Why you make me a sleeper chair?
Do you like it?
Yes.
Ouch. It's so ouchy. Eh, nibite na si mama ng mosquitoes.
Papa, I told you not gonna go into. I told you you can off lotion. You see, I told you you need to off lotion, Mama. You see, I told you, Mama, you need to off lotion. And patay the flies because it goes in the old water. When I get the flies in the water, I will follow them. You're not
Chase.
flies. You're not listen to me. Flies. You're not listening to me, flies. You see, I told you not gonna swimming into my frying water. Mamaya, Mama, yeah, magiging na ako zombie. Flies.
Tuloy-tuloy yung bilhin. Basta di mo sa bayaran yung
Chase. Ala, zombie na siya ate. Chase, you have to minimize your voice kasi it's too loud. You don't need to shout. You just need to.
Mama, if we see them, if the egg goes fast and float, look, Mama, look. When the egg goes fast into the sink, it floats. Oh, the ingredients are showing natapon ang ingredients ko eh. Natapon dyan. Natapon ang ingredients ko. Mama, the frying is over here. And where are they going? Look, motorbike sila! Ba't nag-motorbike sila ulit? Anong motor? Ba't ang motorbike ni Tito G full ng battery niya? Ba't full? Mama, look this. Mama, look.
Dali, Chase. Ay, akala ko tired na yung mouth mo.
Mama, look the fish.
O, spell mo na yung fish.
Mama, I'm tired talking the letters. Mama, look.
Shout! Dito lang ako malapit eh.
Say, Mama.
O, dali na ito.
Mama, look the fish.
Pero yung
Oh,
Huawei,
swimming.
internet din, Huawei din. Huawei yung pero ang pangalan ng internet
Swimming
na apply. Treatment kayo ng internet na dito.
Look, the anchorfish.
Kaya nga mapunta ito yung isa, hindi naman pwede mapunta ito. Bawa, kami, Hyundai. Isang di man kami pwede sa isa lang yung internet. Hihingi ako ng internet.
It says pop. Mama, the anchorfish says pop.
Alam ginamit tayo, pamasahin namin. Gasto din pag pamasahin, kapoy pa. Mga time na yun, nagmasiran pa ako sa Pilipinas.
Ay, don't do that. I don't like it na.
Mama, look. Pop.
Abot ko sila palagi kada gabi, alas 11:30. Gising ka alas 3. Urak lang ang tulog mo. Tres, papasok ka na naman. Oo, kasi mag-atis sa lawa eh. Pagdating yung kilahan,
Says pop.
bigyan ka lang kimitin dyan din, tulog ko. Di magbantay. May nalagay lang ito, may iski ako, student teacher. Pero itutuan mo na lang dito. Pahinga muna ako dito, mahirap naman magturong nga. Kapoy ka. May mga estudyante, mga siaw.
Vinny guy.
Ay, vlog mo pala. School ka ba? Siaw yung mga grade dito eh.
Madulas ka, baby. Ay,
I forgot.
ma-forgot ka ngayon.
Mama, I forgot.
Forgot.
I forgot the tongs. We need our tongs.
Payat lang talaga yung
Maano ka nga dyan, wag ka dyan kasi madulas ka.
Nabasa niya.
Hindi kasi inano mo eh.
Hindi ko malapit sa camera. And this one is a new.
Oh.
Hindi ako mapunta dyan. Good na ako mag-sit down dyan.
Mag-sit down ka nga. Oh. Wag mong ilagay yung water dyan, yung water.
Dalim talaga yung si Victor. Diba? Gusto mo gusto niya mas
Someday, someone's gonna love me.